Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome to our channel. Today, we have something super exciting for you, 10 amazing life hacks that will make your life easier and more fun. So, without further ado, let's dive right in.
Number 1. Instant ice cream sandwich. Tired of waiting for your ice cream to soften? Here's a hack to satisfy your sweet tooth instantly. Grab 2 cookies of your choice and sandwich your favorite ice cream between them. Ta-da! You have an instant ice cream sandwich. Number 2. The ultimate cable organizer. Sick of tangled cables? We've got you covered. Take a few binder clips and attach them to the edge of your desk. Now, thread your cables through the clips. This simple hack will keep your cables organized and within easy reach. Number 3. DIY smartphone stand. Need a stand for your smartphone while watching videos or video chatting? Grab an old cassette case, open it up, and prop your phone against it. It works like a charm, and you can adjust the angle to fit your needs.
Number 4. Quick chip bag sealer. Don't you hate it when your chips go stale? Here's a nifty trick. Fold the top of the chip bag, place a straightener on low heat along the folded edge, and run it through. This seals the bag, keeping your chips fresh and crispy. Number 5. No mess pancake dispenser. Making pancakes can be messy, but not anymore. Grab an empty ketchup bottle, fill it with your pancake batter, and use it as a dispenser. Now you can make perfect, mess-free pancakes every time.
Number 6. Effortless watermelon slices. Cutting watermelon can be a messy task. But fear not. Cut off both ends of the watermelon, then make a vertical cut on one side. Now simply slide your knife along the rind, and voila! Perfect watermelon slices without the fuss. Number 7. DIY phone amplifier. Want to amplify your phone's sound without any extra speakers? Grab an empty toilet paper roll, make a small slit at the bottom to fit your phone, and place your phone inside the roll. The sound will be amplified and directed towards you.
Number 8. Instant shoe freshener. Got stinky shoes? Try this simple hack. Sprinkle some baking soda inside your shoes and leave it overnight. The baking soda will absorb the odor, leaving your shoes smelling fresh and clean the next morning.
Number 9. Easy zipper fix. Oh, zipper stuck. Don't panic. Grab a graphite pencil and rub it along the stuck zipper teeth. The graphite acts as a lubricant, making the zipper slide smoothly once again.
Number 10. DIY desk organizer. Keep your desk clutter-free with this DIY organizer. Take a shoebox and cover it with decorative paper. Now, divide the box into sections using cardboard dividers.
That's a wrap on our top 10 life hacks. We hope you found these tips helpful and that they make your life a little bit easier. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Until next time, stay awesome.